Now during lockdown, how annoying is it that we can't go to bars and restaurants, but on the flip side, we can go out and spend time with family and friends in the park or down at the beach. The most annoying thing though is when you get your cup, you put it on the grass and it falls over, or you get your wine glass here and it's getting sand kicked into it and you're drinking this crunchy tasting wine for some reason, you don't know why. Well, this solves that problem. We've got a fold out, easy picnic table you can take with you, fits in your boot, stops all your stuff from falling over, keeps your cans, locked into the tray, and it's a great place to put your cheese without sand getting kicked in that too. Now it comes flat packed, firstly so it's easy to ship, but secondly so you can show off to your mates or get some brownie points at home saying that you built this with your bare hands or with an actual rubber mallet, either way. Anyway, it doesn't require any Allen key at all, and technically you shouldn't need to glue anything together, but if you wanted a little extra stability, you can just put a bit of super glue on some of the joints. And when you get it, you're just gonna have to pop out some of these MDF little holes here like that, and then follow the numbers here to assemble it. Now the whole thing's reversible, so you could actually have the tabletop with the Kegland facing upwards, or if you don't want to show off the Kegland logo, don't know why you wouldn't want to, then you can flip it upside down and assemble it from this side as well. So it doesn't really matter. Either way, it'll go together as long as you're following those numbers of which order to put the pieces in together. Now that pretty much wraps it up, guys. This particular one is made out of MDF, so if you want it to last a bit longer in the weather, you could give it a lick of varnish or paint. Alternatively, we will sell a more premium marine ply one as well if you want to lash out and spend a few more bucks. Anyway, that's pretty much it. If you've got any other cool ideas though, we've already had some of our guys in the homebrew community group suggest that maybe we should make like a mini picnic beer pong table. So that was a great idea. Or another guy said that he wants to see like a little Bronco tap tower coming out of here, which he can attach to his mini keg. So that was a great idea as well. If you've already got any great ideas, definitely mention them in the comments below. We'll have a look at them. And if we see any awesome stuff there, which you guys come up with, we'll definitely make that too. Anyway, to hear about any of the other cool stuff, definitely sign up. Down in the bottom right hand corner, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel or go to our Facebook community group. The Kegland Facebook community group's got a lot of members in there now, sharing heaps of ideas and giving ideas on what table to make next for you guys having picnics out there in the park. All right, see you next time.